If you're watching this video, chances are you are wanting more leads for your affiliate marketing business. Maybe you've been doing affiliate marketing for a while, or maybe you're just completely brand new and you're struggling, right? You're not getting a lot of people consistently going to your affiliate link. Or maybe you are getting some people going, but the leads that you're attracting, right? The leads that you're generating are very low quality. Maybe it's people that are constantly giving you objections, like, oh, is this a pyramid scheme? Or, oh, if it was so easy, everyone would do it, right? Maybe you're actually getting those type of people and you're wondering, not only how can I generate consistent leads, but how can I generate leads that are ready to buy, right? Leads that are open, interested, hungry, motivated to buy whatever it is you're promoting. Well, if that's what you're wondering, you're in the right place, because what I'm gonna do inside this video is I'm gonna share with you a couple concepts that I discovered that changed everything. It took me from barely making ends meet, in my business, like not getting any leads at all, virtually seeing tumbleweeds roll by my affiliate link on how little people were going, to virtually signing up people into my affiliate program that I was promoting on autopilot, right? How did I go from literally making a post or, learning strategies that involved bothering people and, having to do a massive amount of work, to literally be relaxing on the beach, sinking my toes in the warm, relaxing sand, hearing the crashing waves in the background, checking my phone and seeing a lead went and bought the product on total autopilot, right? So what I want to do is share with you a few of these concepts. So first off, to share a story, back around 2013, I was working as a waiter. I had dropped out of college and I had just started trying to figure out this whole affiliate marketing thing. And I tried thing after thing and it just wasn't working. I couldn't seem to get a lot of people going to my link. I understood at the time that obviously the more people that were high quality that I could get to go to my link, the more sales and the more money that would flow into my bank account, but I couldn't seem to figure it out. The strategies that I were learning were very, very counter to my personality, being someone that's more introverted, being someone that's more just kind of lazy, if you will, right? I just wanted leads coming in without me having to bother people, without me having to have a lot of conversations or manually, do effort. I wanted things set up and working for me. And it took a long time of trial and error, and I finally discovered one of the first key concepts, and that is how to literally attract people to me, right? Now, the very fact that you're watching this video is proving my point, because this video is recorded and you're watching this video very, very closely, right? You're listening to my voice, you're paying close attention to what I'm saying, and the real me, right? The me that's not on this video right now is somewhere probably walking in the park, relaxing with friends, just enjoying their day, maybe even sleeping by the time you're watching this video, and this video is still attracting people to me. So how did I figure out how to get people that are potentially interested in deciding to buy from, whatever product I'm promoting? How did I figure that out in a way that was completely done for me, right? In a way that's completely automated. One thing you want to understand is you want to actually give value that your target market is interested in, okay? Now, what do I mean by value? See, a lot of people throw this word around, value. What does that actually mean? What I mean is you want to be posting valuable information on social media, okay? Now, why social media? Because that's where most people are and it's free, okay? Especially if you don't have a lot of money right now. You can literally make a post, for free on Facebook, Instagram. You want to post valuable information, okay, that your target market is interested in. Now, I see a lot of people go wrong because they're just randomly posting, okay? So they're just like, let's say this is Facebook, okay? And they're just randomly posting like, they're posting like, a photo of like, oh, good morning, right? And that's okay. I mean, you can do this, for like engagement, but they're posting like good morning with like a coffee. And it's like, this isn't giving any value, right? There's no real point to this post. So you want to post on purpose, and you want to post that's attracting your target market. So what is a better post? Well, I mean, if you're in the, let's say, dog training niche or the, gaining muscle niche, whatever niche you're in, You want to be posting, hey, I'm going to share 3 tips on how you can build muscle, right? You want to start posting this stuff, because what's going to happen is people that are interested in that are going to start to find your posts. They're going to start to find your content. And then once they do, they're going to start to be more interested in going further, okay? And the cool thing about this content is, depending on where you post it, you could get leads for years. You know, I posted a lot of videos on YouTube, and still to this day, I have people going to the link under my videos, putting their email in, and then getting followed up with on autopilot through emails that I set up years ago, okay? I still have videos from 5 years ago that I've posted, that I've planted that seed, if you will, and I'm still generating leads even while I'm traveling and out having a blast, okay? So you wanna start to think, how can you actually start posting things that are like assets, that are little minions working for you, getting people attracted to you, rather than bothering people, rather than going out there and knocking on doors virtually and passing out flyers and bothering, you know, your friends and family and all this stuff. You want to target the right people. And that's how I literally have people watching my video, getting a massive amount of value, feeling like, you know, they really understand, and then eagerly and, you know, very motivatingly, if that's a word, asking me for my join link, right? People watch my videos and they literally will say, Garrett, I'm ready to join you. You know, they'll watch my videos, they'll go to the link on my profile, or if it's on YouTube, they'll click the link directly below, they'll put their email in, they'll watch that video, they'll pull out their credit card and they'll buy while I am away, okay? And then they're able to do the same thing because they learn through some of the other concepts and secrets I'm gonna keep sharing, and I share in my programs that I promote, to do the same thing, okay? So this is an incredibly simple concept, but it's absolutely powerful. When you create content on purpose, when you post on purpose, specific keywords or content topics that your target market would be interested in, you're gonna start to notice that those objections are just gonna fall away, okay? You're not gonna get the whole, oh, I thought it was is this a pyramid scheme? You're not gonna get any of that crap because you're targeting the right people. For example, you know, if I do a video on how to get leads for affiliate marketing, the only people that are gonna watch this video are in affiliate marketing, and they already are bought into the concept, so they don't worry if it's a pyramid scheme, because they already know it's not, because they're already involved with it, okay? So just using this type of content, I'm able to attract people to me that will ultimately go to the link below, join me, as high as a level as they can, to learn more of these secrets that I just can't put out to the public, okay? So this is incredibly powerful. Apply this, okay? And of course, if you do want to go further, this is just, you know, touching the tip of the iceberg. I have way more information on how to literally automate your entire business and just have people joining you while you're sleeping, okay? You know, you can really set this up in such a way that it's absolutely incredible and automated, and with tools and other things as well. So I hope you got value. If you did, be sure to like this video. Also comment below, what do you want me to teach you next when it comes to affiliate marketing and making money online? I have a lot more videos that are coming. And also, if you're watching this on YouTube, subscribe with the bell icon. I'm gonna be posting a video a day, so I really think you're gonna enjoy what's coming next. Thanks so much for watching, my friend, and I will see you on my next video.